We're here at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona at the Huawei Pavilion, and I'm talking to Christophe Coutelle, who's the Marketing Director for Core Networks. And we're really talking about how the core networks are going to be changing in the coming years. So Christophe, good morning.
Good morning, Alistair.
So what are the external drivers that are going to be affecting communication in core networks over, say, the next 3 to 5 years?
So the external drivers is that everything is getting accelerated. For instance, if we take the users, we're moving from people to machine and machine to machine. So we're forecasting to have 100 billion connections by 2025, for instance. That's for users. The networks, here we're heavily promoting 4.5G, 4G is already there. Wi-Fi is offloading, 5G is coming by 2018, so the networks are getting accelerated as well. The last one is that in terms of usage, for instance, for video, high definition is a standard today, but we forecast that within 2 to 3 years, 4K will become the standard. So this is impacting heavily the usage and the use cases that you can develop with that. So all of this is pushing.
So it seems like everything's changing. Is actually anything staying still?
Yeah, it's true. It's changing very fast, but at the same time, some of the core functions, they remain. They will remain. They will evolve, but they will remain. Let me name 3 of them. Connectivity control. It used to be voice and SMS routing, but today it's already going to multi-screen, multi-devices, and in the future we're going to move in the Internet of Things world. That's for connectivity control. For data management, we're already entering big data today. We've passed convergence, and we're going to leverage on big data even more in the future. And for policies, it used to be mobile only. Now it's convergent, it's end-to-end QoS control, quality of service control, and in the future it's going to be completely contextual. So those core functions, they remain. They're evolving, but they remain.
So how would you describe a better connected world?
So let me give you 3 words. Immersive, contextual, and on-demand. Immersive because communications will become completely immersive. For instance, here we have a demo of an online collaboration. It's a video call in which 2 architects can remotely build something together using gestures. So it's an augmented reality demonstration, which is giving you an example of what immersive communications mean. That's one. Contextual, it's because the network will become aware of your context. For instance, if you're driving on a highway and streaming a video, it's not the same context as if you're walking in the street and making a phone call. So the network will know that and will adapt to that context. That's the second one. The third one is on demand, because if you need specific capabilities for a short period of time, let's say you're setting up a business, you need a unified communication solution, then you're going to be able to have that. You will have your personal cloud on top of you to deliver those capabilities. So immersive communication, contextual awareness, and on-demand services, those are the 3 characteristics of what we call a better connected world.
So the big question is, how do you actually then deliver that kind of network from a core network perspective?
Well, we're going to deliver that by evolving the core, and the core will become what we call layered, distributed, and sliced. So let me explain that. Layered and distributed, that means that some of the core functions that I've mentioned, connectivity, data management, and policy control, they're going to be pushed to the edge, close to the end user, so that we lower the latency. The use case I mentioned, for instance, driving on the highway, you will need the network to know that, and you will need those capabilities to be close to you so that you don't have any latency. So that's layered and distributed in the regional access data centers. That's the first thing. The second one is that the core will be sliced. That means that for specific industries, connected cars, for instance, or e-health, we will slice and bundle some of the core capabilities so that they get adapted to those specific verticals' needs. E-health has a different requirement than a connected car, for instance, and the core network will be able to adapt to that.
So there's a lot of change happening, isn't there? I mean, this is really exciting times ahead.
Yeah, it's really exciting, and we're on track to deliver that. Our portfolio, our roadmap is fully supporting that vision, and we're really excited to move forward with our customers in the coming years.
Well, as you say, exciting times. Christophe Coutelle, thank you very much.
Thank you, Alistair. Thank you very much.